All right. Yeah. Why niggas look mad? Right. Y'all supposed to be happy I'm free. Y'all niggas look like y'all wanted me to stay in jail. Oh, busters. Picture me rolling in my 500 Benz. I got no love for these niggas. There's no need to be friends. They got me under surveillance. I swear somebody can tell it. No, there's no being sold, but I ain't the one selling. Don't wanna be another number. I got a bumper gang of weed to keep them going under. The federalists wanna see me dead. Niggas put prices on my head. Now I got 2 Rottweilers by my bed. I feed them lead. Now I'm released. How will I live? Well, God forgive me for all the dirt a nigga did. To feed kids, one life to live. It's so hard to be positive when niggas shooting at your crib. Mama, I'm still thuggin', the world is a war zone. My homies is inmates, and most of them dead grown. Full grown, following your man. So scheming on ways to put some weed inside the palms of my empty hands. Just picture me rollin', flossing the beans on rims that isn't stolen. My dreams are sensing, my hopes are born. I'm like a fiend that finally sees all the dope is gone. My nerves is wrecked, heart beating in my hands is swollen. Thinking of the G's I be holding. Picture me rollin'. Can you see me now? Move to the side a little bit so you can get a clear picture. Can you see it? Picture me roll. Yeah, nigga. Hey, but peep how my nigga Psych do it. Guess who's back?
I got keys coming from overseas. Cost a nigga 200 G's. I'm a street commando, Nino, for example. This lavish lifestyle is hard to handle, so I got the flaws cause I'm more like a boss player. Thug ready to be a woman layer. So many player haters imitate a steady swinging. Make me wanna start back banging. So I'm caught up in the game. Dress code change. Packing 40 Glocks to tame or rearrange. All that jealousy and envy coming from my enemies. While I'm sipping on Remain, running back Lexus Chevys on the roam. 96 big body sitting on chrome. As we head up out the zone, Stone facing his own. You can admire, but don't look too long. I'm living a dream with triple beams and my pockets bulging. It's hard to imagine. Picture me rolling.
Fuck up and formulate a caper. Cause a nigga straight suffering from like I haven't paper. My bitch finna have a bad to see, so I need to hit a lick drastically. Cause these some bowling ass niggas and they slipping in my spot. And digging the plot, they got chicken in the pot.
We caught him sleeping, he didn't beat you niggas creeping. It's how we do it every weekend, I dump the man. The time to count the proper CPO, you got the bomb spot. Nigga, time to clock it. I get the liquor and you can get the females. It's crooked shit that we inflict and get street sales.
Move smooth as a motherfucker, me and my night. I'm cool as a motherfucker, I'ma get mine. Now we satisfied. Got the pockets on swollen balls, hog in this pocket, nigga. Picture us rolling.
Y'all ready for me? Picture me rolling roll call. You know some motherfuckers out there I just could not forget about. I wanna make sure they can see me. Number 1 on my list, Clinton Correctional Facilities. All you bitch ass CEOs. Can you niggas see me from there? Ballin' on y'all punk ass. Picture me rolling, baby. Yeah. All the niggas up in them cell blocks. I told y'all niggas when I come home it's on. That's right, nigga. Picture me rolling. Oh, I forgot. The DA. Yeah, that bitch had a lot to talk about before. Can the hoe see me from here? Can you see me, hoe? Picture me rolling. And all you punk police, can you see me? Am I clear to you? Picture me rolling, nigga. Legit. Free like OJ all day. Can't stop it. You know I got my niggas up in this motherfucker. Manu, Pain, Sight, Mogo, Mobrin. Sad dog, what's up? Can you picture us rolling? Can you see me home? Is y'all ready for me? We about this bitch. Anytime y'all wanna see me again, rewind this track right here, close your eyes, and picture me rolling.
Rockefeller Records, the Imperial Skateboard P. Gray Hover, y'all already know what it is. Come on! Yeah, so what if you flip a couple words? I could triple Latin birds. Open your mind, you see the circus in the sky. I'm wrangling brothers, Barnum and Bailey with the pies. No matter how you slice it, I'm your motherfucking guy. And just like a b-boy with 360 waves, do the same with the pot. Still come back beige, whether right or southpaw, whether pot or the jaw, whip it around. It still comes back hard, so easily do a W-H-I-P. My repetition with wrists to bring the kilo business. I got Creole, CO bitches for my niggas who slipped, became prisoners. Treats taped to the visitors. You already know what the business is. Unnecessary commissary, boy, we lit this shit. Niggas wanna bring the 80s back. That's okay with me, that's where they made me at. Except I don't write in the war, I write my name in the history books, hustling in the hall. Nah, I don't spin on my head, I spend my work in the pot so I can spend my bread. And I'm getting it, I'm getting it. I ain't talking about it, I'm living it. I'm getting it, straight getting it. Get it, boy.
Don't waste your time fighting the line. Stay your course and you'll understand.
Get it, boy. 87 state of mind that I'm in my prime, so for that time I'm Rakim. If it wasn't for the crime that I was in, but I wouldn't be the guy who rhymes it is that I'm in. No pain, no profit. P, I repeat if you show me where the pot is. Cherry M3s with the top back. Red and green G's on my hat. North Beach leathers, matching Gucci sweater. Gucci sneaks on to keep my outfit together. Whatever, 100 for the diamond chain. Can't you tell that I came from the dope game? Blame Reagan for making me to a monster. Blame Oliver North and I ran Contra. I ran contraband that they sponsored. Before this rhyming stuff, we was in concert. And I'm getting it, I'm getting it. I ain't talking about it, I'm living it. I'm getting it, straight getting it. Get it, boy.
Don't waste your time fighting the line. Stay your course and you'll understand.
Get it, boy. Push. Money over broad, you got it. Fuck Bush. Chef, guess what I cooked? Baked a lot of bread and kept it off the books. Rockstar. Look, way before the bars, my picture was getting took. Feds, they like whack rappers. Try as they may, they couldn't get me on the hook. DA wanna indict me, cause fit scales in my veins like a Pisces. The Pyrex pot roll up my sleeve. Turn one into two like a Siamese twin. When it end, I'ma stand as a man, never dying on my knees. Last of a dying breed. So let the champagne pop. I party for a while, now I'm back to the block. And I'm getting it, I'm getting it. I ain't talking about it, I'm living it. I'm getting it, straight getting it. Get it, boy.
Don't waste your time fighting the line. Stay your course and you'll understand.
Get it, boy.
Blue Magic, that's a brand name. Like Pepsi, that's a brand name. I stand behind it, I guarantee it. They know that.